I just love Global Mission Pioneers. Putting Christ's method of ministry into practice, they're starting new groups of believers, often in very challenging parts of the world. And they teach me about sacrifice, they teach me about commitment. And the annual sacrifice offering is a wonderful opportunity to help support these pioneers. A basic living stipend provides a roof over their heads, some food on their table, and basic resources in their hands. And things such as transportation, a basic bike makes all the difference in the life of a pioneer. Whether it's out in the villages or in a city going from block to block, it can save a lot of time. Thank you so much for your continuing support of Global Mission Pioneers through the annual sacrifice offering.
The Global Mission Pioneer Program is part of Adventist Mission's goal of reaching unentered or challenging areas in practical ways. GMPs, as they are sometimes called, are local members who work in their own cultures. Fluent in the language and culture, they do not face some of the barriers foreign missionaries may encounter.
Before I didn't get the bicycle, I walk, and so hard for me.
48 of the 2,500 GMPs serving worldwide are in Bangladesh. The majority in this country are men, but 4 women also serve.
আমার যখন বাইসাইকেল ছিল না তখন আমি হেঁটে হেঁটে আমার পাশের মণ্ডলীতে বা পাশের গ্রামে যেতাম আমাদের খুব কষ্ট হতো
The youngest GMPs are in their 30s while the oldest are in their 60s. Some have served for a year while others have served for more than 20. The life of a GMP is hard, with limited resources, deeply rooted traditions in their communities, and often challenging rural surroundings. Yet they continue to express their faith in practical ways.
But now, when I receive the bicycle, at this moment I'm very easy for go this church.
Walking the long distances as they visited interested people takes a substantial amount of time that could better be spent with the people in their communities.
অবশ্যই আমি আমার যে পাশের যে চার্চ রয়েছে যেটা আমি দেখাশোনা করি ওই চার্চে এখনো অনেকেই আছে যাদের কাছে আমি নিয়মিত যেতে পারি না তো আমি প্রথমেই ওই গ্রামে যাব এবং তাদেরকে আগে পরিদর্শন করব
The answer to this challenge came in the form of special funding from the General Conference facilitated through the Southern Asia Pacific Division's Office of Adventist Mission. Bangladesh GMPs gathered at the Bangladesh Adventist Union Mission in Dhaka for a day of training and to celebrate the distribution of the bicycles that would make their ministry more complete.
This bicycle I use for the Adventist Mission ministry.
আমি এই সাইকেলটা নিয়ে বিভিন্ন গ্রামে ঈশ্বরের বার্তা প্রচার করতে পারবো এবং লোকদেরকে ঈশ্বরের কাছে আনতে পারবো এবং ঈশ্বরের সত্য বার্তা আমি তুলে ধরতে পারবো
Thanks to these gifts, the journey for these GMPs will forever be shorter, and the memory of your support for their ministry will go with them.
Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ দেই
ধন্যবাদ
এবং আবারও এই সাইকেলের জন্য ধন্যবাদ
আবারও আমি এই সাইকেলের জন্য এবং যে জিনিসগুলো আমি পেয়েছি এইসবের জন্য আমি আবার ধন্যবাদ দিই
Thank you. God bless.
For more information about the Global Mission Pioneer Program, go to www.adventistmission.org and click on Global Mission.
On behalf of Bangladesh Union Mission, I would like to thank for providing this bicycle for our volunteers so that these bicycles it can be used for his ministry.